So I thought it would be fun to do a small unboxing video since I haven't got much time to go around in the shop lately to make some new videos. I ordered myself some new tools from the local eBay and from China. So I'll start with a package from China. Two nice trays for organizing tools. Will come in handy for organizing my milling tool. So you can combine these together, and if I picked up the right ones, they should be different from each other. Oh, that's a nice fit. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So those are the same. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. They look the same to me. Well, it's a nice firm stand to store my milling tools and drill bits. So let's open up the big package. So it's well packed, quite heavy. For most of the things I know what's in there, but I think there are a couple surprises. I ordered some big drill bits, and the seller who sold me the stuff said he would throw in some extra. So let's see what we find. This one is empty. So a set of drills. Yeah, nice. It's from round 1 to 5.9 millimeters, adding up with 0.1. So that comes in handy in the shop. They look new or sharp as well, so that's nice. It's a good set. Happy with it. One indicator. What's missing is pointy bit, but it works. Seems to work fine. It's quite a heavy one. Don't know if you can see the brand. Maher. Not familiar with it, but seems to be a good brand. Okay, let's continue. It's empty. to some small bits. Oh, nice sharp 3 flute end mill. I guess it's a boring bar, inside boring bar for chamfering or so. A reamer, 10. It's nice. I don't own any reamers yet, so that's always good. A drill bit, not sure which size. Well, they're always welcome. A 3 flute end mill, still covered, so that one should be sharp. It's a nice one, 14 millimeters. Very happy with that one. Another end mill, also 3 flutes. It's also sharp. Also 14 millimeters. Nice. Nice to have. This. Oh, that's a nice one. Yeah. We're zeroing out. We're indicating. Yeah. Seems a good one. Good quality. Nice. Okay. Another box. Yeah. That's what I ordered. And brand new shell mill. Oh, it's really sharp. 18 millimeters by 45 millimeters. Yeah, that's nice. Looking forward to using this. Put it back in the box, keeping it sharp. Nice one. A small drill, center drill I guess. And here are the big drill bits I ordered. Let's see in what condition they are. Oh, there we go. So these are almost Morse tapered. I didn't own any yet. So my drills go up to 13 millimeters. And these start with 13 millimeters. Drill bit straight. 15.15. That's a special one. Always nice to have. They're quite long. They look all sharpened. So I'm guessing the previous owner of the drill bits owned a sharpener for drills. Don't know if you can see that on camera. Zooming in on it. Yeah. They look quite sharp, so that's okay. Bottoming drill. I'm always curious how they work, but we'll find out. another Morse taper drill, but looks like this one isn't used for Morse tapers. So, going up in size, some smaller ones. Nice to have some longer drills. They all look quite sharp, so it's nice. So in the meanwhile, placing them in the organizing tray. We'll see how that ends. And the bigger ones. So 23 millimeters. Resharpen. I'm guessing another 23. Yeah. 2 23 millimeter drill bits. This one is a 25. Looks like a 25. Nice. A smaller one. Also sharp. So happy with that. So let's see how that looks using the organizing tool. So, well, I'm certainly not really made for the drill bits, but I can use them very well for the end mills, and I got a lot of them. I will add a photo on the end of the video of the filled up stack. So hopefully I'll make some videos from the shop anytime soon. Got some nice projects coming up. Another lathe restoration, and I need to do some more work on my mill. I bought a power feed for my mill for the cross table, so I'll be making a video of installing that one. So those will be around anytime soon. Thanks for watching. Take care. Hopefully you push like and subscribe.